Welcome back to my channel, Virgo with John. Today we're going to walk you through how to change an outdoor light fixture. I shot the video last summer. You're going to notice when I run the video, I know no whiskers and different clothes. Anyway, I thought it might be interesting for people to watch. So anyway, how to change an outdoor light fixture. Unfortunately, this was put in with, it was sealed with polyurethane. If anybody knows what polyurethane is, it's really hard to come off. Anyway, we'll take it out. And before I do anything, I already shut the main breaker off in the garage. So right now the garage has no power whatsoever. Always make sure the breaker's turned off. It would be hard to tell. The reason why I did the main breaker, because I got a bunch of empty breakers in there. And because it has no power, I don't know which one operates this. There's a whole fuse panel or breaker panel in the garage that half it's empty. This light's been up here 15 years, if not longer. It's old. The reason why I liked it, a lot of the old sensor lights, once you put LEDs in them, they just flicker or stop working. Actually, this is one of the very few that was good with an LED light. It worked perfect for many years before it finally died, but I can see some cracking on here, so it's probably water got inside of it. Okay, before I lose these in the grass, I'm going to shove them on my trailer. Piece of advice: don't seal with polyurethane. Something you got to take off again. Wow. I'm just trying to get some pressure on it while I cut it. Polyurethane is really strong. Polyurethane is something I probably should not have used to seal this light, but I knew it at the time, but it's all I had. I had a tube already open. Those two nuts are bending in, so it's kind of holding it. So let's see if I can hold these out a bit. I think, okay, all the glue's out. Now it's just being held in here. Okay, it's out. Wow. Okay. Helicopter.
They use helicopter because the Remembrance Day today, and you might see us.
Okay, it's out. Cheapest one I could find. Okay, read the instructions. Okay, you always take these wires, you twist them, so the moret gives a better hold. Now if I'm looking at it, it looks like it's got pretty much the same type of bracket as what the other one had. No, different bracket, so I gotta change it. Any hardware kit just contained 3 morets and 2 screws to screw into the bracket. Okay, let's get this one out. I put the morets back on because I had to shut the garage door and I turned the power back on. But it's back off again. I use the old screws because I'm not a big fan of that head. I prefer the Robinson. I have a ground screw here to ground it. You normally take this up. I don't think I might have the room. I'll grab my needle nose and squeeze that tight. Let's see if it's going to fit. No, I have to back those out some. Oh, these got to be back. You can knock it down. I got to just back these out so it fits. Yeah, that should do it. I didn't find to give me enough wire here. Block on block, which is your black is your main power. Here's your common, neutral if you want to call it that. White on white. And your ground on the ground. Yeah, that might be too much.
Oh, God. What's alive?
Hmm?
They're gonna hire me.
Looks like this one's not out quite far enough.
It's not easy. I'll do this. I think it's very close.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's fine.
That one's out far enough. This one's out just a bit more.
Waiting to see you. It's supposed to be that one, the light, not you.
Alright, I just tighten these up so they don't spin when I tighten it up. Should use a right wrench, but that's what I have here. Around here, you run some more caulking so water doesn't go in behind this and get in behind your siding. But before I do that, I'm going to test the light. Okay, I'm going to turn the power on. Yeah, the light looks crooked, but that's just the way the siding sits.
Yeah, it's on.
On, off,
Yeah, it's off.
on. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the bell. Bye for now.